Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. Today I will show you how to create the look. I am जो आपको मेरे फेस पे दिख रही है तो मैं आपको टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स बताऊंगी कि कैसे आई लैशेज़ अप्लाई करने हैं, कैसी ब्लशर अप्लाई करना है, कहाँ पे ब्लशर अप्लाई करने हैं। तो वो आपके लिए इजी हो जाएगा। और वो आपको क्या करना है, जब भी आप मेकअप कर रहे हो आपने अपनी वीडियो में वो ज़रूर अप्लाई करना है। इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग द टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स द वन दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू, it will be so easy for you to do the makeup. And first try करो, like second try, अगर second try में भी नहीं तो third try करो, it will be easy for you. तो आप मतलब like कभी पार्टी में जा रहे हैं, कभी फ्रेंड के साथ गेट टुगेदर जा रहे हैं, जब भी मेकअप कर रहे हैं, टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स जो भी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ वो आपने अपने अपने मेकअप में अप्लाई करो। एंड डू लेट मी नो what you guys think about my tips and tricks. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm using the Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer. Just apply it all over your face. I'm using the Vasanti VO2 peachy tone. It's a peachy tone. You can cover your dark circles with it. If you are Indian skin tone, you can use this color corrector to cover your dark spot. For the concealer, it's a MAC concealer. You can just put it on the brush and apply it on your eyes, under the eyes, above the eyelid, and the mouth area in which I applied the color corrector. And just dab your brush, don't rub it, because if you will rub it, it will go away, the color corrector will go away. For the foundation, I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation. It's the best foundation for drier skin, for oily skin. It's really amazing. It's a full coverage foundation. It will cover your all the dark spot. And if you will see, I'm just dabbing the brush. Just dab it onto your area where you have applied the color corrector. After that, I'm using the damp beauty blender and just dab it onto your skin so that the excess foundation will go away and it will be more finish look. Before the makeup, always moisturize your face. It will give you a nice base to so that you can apply the foundation, and it will give you more flawless look, the one you see in the video. For the eyes, I'm using the HUDA Beauty Nude palette. It has more neutral colors in it. I'm taking a small fluffy brush and applying it onto my eyelid and just do the wiper motion, the swiping motion, and don't hold your brush too tight. Your brush would be like easy to handle. Always try to blend the eyeshadow. You should not see harsh lines. If you see, my eyeshadow is blended. For the highlighter, I'm using the Revolution and just taking a fluffy brush and applying it onto the corner of my eyes to give the pop look. I'm trying to blend the corners. Your corners should also be blended. I'm using the same color that I applied onto my crease. I'm just applying below my eye area also, and you have to blend it until you are satisfied with the look. For the eyebrows, I'm just taking a dry spoolie and just making my eyebrows. Always do the spoolie upward and just drag it downward as you see the shape. For the eyebrows, I'm taking the dark brown color. I'm just filling the eyebrows with the angle brush, and always try to go in the direction of your eyebrows. Now I'm taking the spoolie and just blending the eyebrows so that I don't see any harsh line in the eyebrows. I'm going in the upward direction so that it's blended. For the eyeliner, I'm using the Sephora eyeliner. Just follow your lash line and just do a line, and on the upward of your eyes, what I would do, I would just take a small mirror and tilt my eyes downward so that I can see where I'm applying the eyeliner. I just messed up my eyeliner, but don't worry about it. Just take a dry spoolie and rub it onto your eyeliner. It will go away. But when your eyeliner is dry, then try to remove your eyeliner, not on wet. After the spoolie trick, you can apply your eyeliner again, because when you are doing the spoolie trick, your eyeliner will little go away. So you can apply it again. I'm curling my eyelashes. Just measure your eyelashes. Just twisting the eyelashes to make it in a shape. Just apply the eyelash glue onto the band of the eyelashes. Just wait 2-3 minutes after applying the glue. Apply your fake eyelashes onto your original eyelashes. It will give you a shape that you wanted, and just pinch it so that you cannot see, so that the eyelashes is smooth. Just pinch it. Do you see, eyelashes make a lot of difference in your makeup. When you're applying eyelashes, your makeup will look beautiful. Just apply the lip liner and follow the outline of your lips. Just open your mouth and just follow the outline. And all my products, the one I'm using, are in the description. Now I'm using the lipstick above the lip liner. Follow it in the shape of your lips. After the lipstick also, you can draw a line with the lip liner above your lips. I'm using a Too Faced bronzer and will apply it on my cheeks. Instead of the rose, I'm using the bronzer. It has like little shimmer also in it. Just apply it on your apple of your cheeks. Just start with little on the brush. Just remember that little goes a long way. If you need more, you can take more of the bronzer. To cover up your double chin, you can use the bronzer under the chin area. It will give you more slimmer look, and your double chin will be height. I'm using the Revolution highlighter. You can apply it onto your lips so that it gives you more popper, and you can apply it onto your nose also, the way I'm applying it, and just blend it with your fingers. For the hairstyle, I just did a normal high ponytail with some bangs. I just took out my bangs. More tips and tricks about fashion, beauty, and I will be showing you about my lifestyle, like what I am wearing, what I'm doing in a day, blog, and everything, like what my baby eats, what my baby wears, and what I wear when I'm at home, what I cook when I'm at home. So keep on watching my every video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Do subscribe and like my video.